what A Raja and what the DMK idea is, you have to contextualize is what they are trying to tell. They are trying to tell that there is a difference between the karma and there is a difference between the dharam. Karma and dharam both are very different. They are talking about the karma kand that a particular religion is observing. In doing so, we find that there are numerous things which are still happening in postmodern society.
Sir, he didn't say any of that. He used one word.
Caste system,
you know, I used a phrase, sir.
Look.
Grammatical gymnastics,
yes.
Which is what you're doing. You can talk about Karam Kand, Dharam Kand, Fala Kand, Dhimaka Kand. He is saying very clearly, Hinduism is a menace. Is Hinduism a menace, yes or no?
Padmada ji, Hinduism, I am telling you, it's a private affair. When you take this religion into a public domain, it will have to have a very deliberative discussion on this. Private affair, mano to dev nahi to patthar, this is our religion. Anyone is free to choose whether it's a god or whether it is a stone. So this is our religion. You have to be very
I know religion as well, sir. I am asking you a simple question. According to you, is Hinduism a menace?
That simple question.
Is Hinduism a menace?
Who said Hinduism is a menace?
A Raja said, in so many words, Hindu religion is the biggest menace, not just in India, but the world.
Even A Raja, look to what he has tweeted. He has talked about the evil aspect of the individual which is there in the Karam Kand, which is practiced by the so-called in the name of Hinduism. That is the factual position of the DMK and A Raja. But you are trying to put into a perspective that, you know, A Raja is anti-Hindu. No.
Okay, so let me ask you this. Hold on a second, sir. So you are saying when he is criticizing Hinduism and calling it a menace, he is talking about evils. So let me ask you then, does the evil of discrimination, hold on a second, sir, you are a professor, so let me ask you this. Does the evil of discrimination exist only in Hinduism?
Who said? I am telling you, any classical writing which is there in the postmodern society and still it is getting practiced, that should be deleted. Any evil
Professor
aspect
Sahab,
in any of
I
the
am
classical
asking you a
writings,
straightforward question. Professor Sahab, okay, fine. I give it to you. Hinduism has its evils. Is Hinduism the only religion that has evils?
Yes. Who said? That Hinduism is the one? In Hinduism there is only one evil. I am talking about.
I'm not saying that, sir. Let me ask you, rephrase it and ask you. क्या आपको लगता है कि अगर हिंदू धर्म में कुछ खामियां हैं, क्या सिर्फ हिंदू धर्म में खामियां हैं, या ईसाई धर्म में भी खामियां हैं, इस्लाम में भी खामियां हैं? क्या खामियां हर धर्म में है या सिर्फ हिंदू धर्म में ही है?
Padmada ji, for that you have to debate another time. Take the issue of
I want to debate it right now.
You are talking about A Raja,
I want to debate it right now.
The Islam.
आप बताइए सुबोध साहब, प्रोफेसर मेहता, आप ये बताइए, सब बैठ करके संदर्भ सहित व्याख्या करते हैं कि भाई हिंदुइज्म में फलां कमियां हैं और बड़ी त्रुटियां हैं और उसमें कर्म कांड ऐसा है. आप मुझे बताइए, मैं कहती हूँ हाँ है और वो खत्म होना चाहिए. आप ये बताइए कि सिर्फ हिंदू धर्म में ही है या बाकी में भी थोड़ा सा है, या यही एक मेनेस है पूरी दुनिया में?
Padmada ji, you must be aware of the fact that there are cases going on in a Supreme Court. If there are certain evil in different other religion, there are cases against the other religion also in the Supreme Court to remove the evil.
Okay, so clearly, Professor Mehta, you are not going to answer that question.
If you really want to debate on the other religion, yes.
Are there any shortcomings in other religions?
Evil in anywhere, that has to be. All those shortcomings has been in the Supreme Court. The debate is on. I am telling you, if there is any evil in any of the religion, that should be
if there is nahi, I am asking your opinion.
Because
you had a very concrete opinion about Hinduism कि Hinduism में खामियां हैं. I am asking the opinion of Professor Subodh Mehta. Are there evils in other religion? Yes or no?
Tell me the religion.
Christianity. Is there any shortcoming in Christianity? Yes or no?
Have you ever debated on Christianity? Have any?
Right now I'm debating.
Come forward against the Christianity.
I'm debating right now.
You are debating here. I don't find anything problem in Christianity.
Okay, there is no problem in Christianity. Great.
And all that we already there.
Great, flawless. That is great. In Islam, is there any problem?
If there
of discrimination, of proselytization.
If there is Islam any problem, that case, Madam Padmada ji, that case is already there in the Supreme Court. And if the Christianity is based on the conversion, that is against the ethos of modernity. I am talking about conversion.
Then would you, sir, now that you are saying that there are flaws in every religion, would you say that another religion is a menace? Like Hinduism has been called a menace, would you say Christianity is a menace?
Look, some of the Karamkandi, they are trying to create a new religion within a Sanatani religion. They are trying to create a new Hinduism within a original Hinduism. There is a difference between what the Hindu aspect, Vasudev Kutumb, we talk about Bahujan Sukhay, Bahujan Hitay, welfare and happiness of all is the welfare of all. We talk about Sarv Dharm Sambhav, from Gita to Rig Veda to Buddhism to our constitution.
Sir,
and
you have gone everywhere and still you haven't been able to explain to me how Hinduism as a whole became a menace.